It is with great sadness I announce this next video that I'm about to do. Just kidding. What's up, guys? My name's Alyssa, and for today's video, I don't know how excited I am for this video. We're gonna do a trying weird food combinations video. And there's a lot of weird food combinations out there, let me tell you. Y'all have some weird ass taste buds, but we're gonna try it. I'm a super picky eater. I hate cheese. I think it's disgusting. I pretty much just eat chicky tendies all the time. I like simple pleasures, you know, simple stuff. So before we start this video, don't forget to follow all my social medias and all that fun stuff. And let's just get, so we got some Lucky Charms and a bowl. Oh, this is so good. I'm already dreading this. I know what's happening. Ew! Okay, so for this disgusting food combination, we got some cereal here. I love Lucky Charms. They're my fave, and now I'm about to ruin it by putting cheese into it. So we did get mozzarella. I do like mozzarella. I will not like mozzarella after this little experiment. Wow. There we go. Come on out, buddy. Okay, we pour our milk in. Before I add the cheese, I'm gonna take one bite so that way I can remember what it tastes like. No, Ew, it feels all like gross. This is not normal. More. Okay, that's enough. This is not Olive Garden. Ew, it's all over my hand. Ew! Get it off. Oh my God. Can I spit it out? So, okay. Oh! Trying to like actually get the cheese in there. You're welcome. Here goes nothing. Hey. That's so nasty. Ew. Ew. So we got Cheetos and milk. We're gonna mix the hot Cheetos because those are my like 2 a.m. treat. Not gonna ruin those for me. We are gonna ruin, how do I eat this? I'm gonna have to do a shit ton of dishes after this. We've got 2 pieces, so you know I'm really doing this. I can smell it. It just tastes like Cheetos and milk, which isn't necessarily a bad combo, but it's not like it's something I would like eat on a regular basis. Nope. We're done. So the next one is Oreos dipped in orange juice. I hate Oreos and I hate orange juice. So this is not gonna be a great mix. I can already tell. I can smell it. Oh, I broke it, okay. Oh God. Gotta like dip it in. How long do I hold it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's actually not bad. It makes the stuffing like orangey. So it's like an orange Oreo. Do I like orange juice? I have no idea. Nope, nope, nope. We got Nutella with Ruffles. I feel like this is gonna be a pretty good combination because you got like the salty with like the Nutella-y. All right, we got our little chippy chip. We got our Nutella. Oh, it broke. Can't eat that. It broke again. Okay, here we go. It's not good. Salt. And that's a pretty good amount. Not trying to, oh shit, that's a lot. All right, so an apple with salt and pepper, and it's literally all over my hands. So I'm just gonna wipe it on my ass and forget about it. Okay. The pepper makes it terrible. I think if it was just salt, it would be eatable, but the pepper is not good. Ew. The pepper makes it rough. The next thing is an avocado with honey. I need a spoon. So, got some honey. Just gonna like drizzle it on. Okay, that's enough. Let's not overdo it. I like avocados and I like honey. Oh my God, it's dripping. Gotta take like a good bite. No, 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 God, no. It's just terrible. Oh. Okay, so now the next challenge is avocado with chocolate. So we're gonna open this up and get a little chunk of avocado. Avocado. I'm never gonna eat an avocado again. It's been ruined. Okay. We're gonna put it on the chocolate. Oh, I'm losing it. The chocolate really overpowers the avocado. So it's not bad. But who would just eat pieces of chocolate with avocado on them? That doesn't make any sense. It's actually not bad. So we saved the best for last. And so it's strawberries with not fucking hot sauce, with sour cream and brown sugar. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the brown sugar into this bowl. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, just a little bit. We're gonna dip it in the sour cream. Like that. No more, okay. And then dip this. I don't know. Okay, here goes. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Oh my God. Ten out of 10. I could eat that for dessert like every single night. That was good. So, while a majority of the food I tried was absolutely disgusting, there were some diamonds in the rough. Y'all, people are nasty coming up with these weird food things. I don't even know like how, I don't even know how half of these get like birthed into things that people try. But yeah, I think this was a very fun video. Pretty much what I expected. I didn't like most of it, but you know, it is what it is. I'm a really picky eater, so. But anyways, that's gonna end the video. Please be sure to follow all my social medias. There is Chip screaming at me for his own food. Maybe I'll give him a strawberry. No, just kidding. I won't do that. Oh, you want some sour cream? Chip, he's not gonna pet you. You want some? I hope you guys have a great week, day, month, year, all the above, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!